In today's video, I am going to teach you how to organize Outlook with Create folders and set auto rules. By the end, your inbox will feel calmer, cleaner, and largely self-sorting. We'll start by creating a simple folder structure so your inbox has clear destinations. Open Outlook on the web. In the left-hand navigation pane, right. Click your email address or your inbox and choose New Folder. Give each folder a descriptive name, by project, client, or action, so you always know where messages belong. Short, consistent names work best, like Invoices, Project Alpha, or Follow Up. Keep the top level tidy and only create subfolders when you truly need them. Next, let's set up auto rules to move emails automatically. The fastest method uses an existing message as your template. Find an email you always file the same way. Right, click it, choose Rules, and select Always Move Messages from this sender. When the dialog opens, click Select Folder. Pick the destination you created, and click OK. If you want to tidy up immediately, look for the option to run this rule on existing messages in your inbox and turn it on. Outlook will sweep matching emails into the folder right away. When you need more control, use the advanced method. Right. Click a message, go to Rules, and choose Create Rule. Here, you can set specific criteria such as subject keywords or certain recipients. This is great for newsletters, automated notifications, or team aliases. Choose your target folder via Select Folder. Then confirm with OK. Again, you can run the rule on existing messages to get instant organization. Precise keywords reduce false matches, so stick to distinctive terms you expect in those emails. Finally, let's manage and refine all your rules in one place. In the classic desktop Outlook, go to File, then Manage Rules and Alerts. In the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, click the gear icon at the top right. Select Mail, then Rules, and choose Add New Rule. Give your rule a clear name, add conditions like sender or keywords, and set the action move to. Pointing to your folder. If you want this to be the final action for that message, enable Stop Processing More Rules. That tells Outlook not to apply any lower priority rules afterward, which prevents duplicates or unexpected moves. A few closing tips: keep rule names specific so you can spot conflicts. Avoid overlapping criteria unless you intend them, and review your folder list occasionally to retire what you no longer use. That's it. Thanks for watching.